Dear students, a very good morning to all of you. Students, today we are going to conduct a very simple but very interesting activity. And the name of the activity is Let's Learn from 1 to 10. Okay? So, first we will learn numbers from 1 to 10 with the help of some flashcards. Okay? So, look at the screen and start with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. Okay, student? So, now we will once again revise numbers from 1 to 10 with the help of video. So, look at very carefully.
Look here, this is number 1. This is number 2. This is number 3. This is number 4. This is number 5. This is number 6. Number 7. This is number 8. This is number 9. And this is number 10. Okay. Now we will once again revise number with the help of these beads. Okay. 1. There is number 1. 1 bead. Okay. Now look here. This is number 2. 1, 2. 2 beads. This is number 3. 1, 2 and 3 beads. Okay. This is number 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 beads. This is number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 beads. This is number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 beads for number 6. This is number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay. This is number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is number 8. Now this is number 9. 1, 2.
Now, students, start rhyme with me. And the title of the rhyme is 1 to buckle my shoe. Okay, now let's start singing with me. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. Okay, now I have one more video for you.
green frogs, 8, 8 pink hogs, 9, 9 brown hens, 10 white oxen, 9 brown hens, 10 white oxen, 10 white oxen.
Okay, students. So that's all for the day. Revise numbers again and again at your home with the help of your parents. Okay. So that's all for the day. Stay home, stay safe, and stay positive. Thank you for the day.